not just hauling junk today, we're hauling boats and smashing pools. Hey, what's up guys? We're getting ready to head out today. We got a pretty big job we're doing. We got boat trucks today. We got a big job. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Yep, this thing's getting destroyed today. We're gonna demo this and take it away. And then we got a pile of junk over here with a boat. Vines all around this. I'm gonna cut them off. Obviously, by the looks of this, it doesn't look like it's going to fit, but I'm going to measure it just to be on the safe side. Even if I... tilted it, I don't know. Oh yeah, this is a 13 and a half or so. So yeah, demo time.
I think it's probably longer.
Well, boys and girls, you know what time it is. It's demo time.
That's right. We even demo boats. I love demoing stuff. It's just like the vibrations, they go all through your arms and stuff. Ultimate Warrior. You guys remember the Ultimate Warrior back then? He was like, "Ooh," and then the vibrations go all through the body, and then you get crazy. Back this truck up to this truck. We're putting this thing on that. I'm going to put this in the middle. I'm going to come lift this and rest it right on these things right here. Yeah.
Did the best I can.
Yeah, you did good.
Yeah, of course. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Yeah, I think that's enough room.
All right, so this area is done. Ta-da! We got all the junk loaded on the trucks. And now we just got to finish the pool. We were going on the pool, but we had to stop because there's a bunch of hornets' nests all around it. So that's fun. So I'm just going to hack this thing up and try to get it out as quick as possible without getting stung. That's a wrap. Well, we finally completed ripping down this pool. We got the boats on the truck and all the other junk. Been here a few hours because there's been ticks and hornets trying to eat me. So it took a little longer than usual, but that's all right. So yeah, that's it. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more junk removal action with MONIKEN junk removal. Right, babe? No?
No.
I thought it was fun.